This is the elevator at Scene75, Mall Tuttle Crossing in Dublin, Ohio. Here too.
Where's the ice one at? Upstairs? Read. Where's your phone? Where's your phone? God, people know I got this for Christmas. Where'd you get that at? You bought it for me for Christmas.
That sounds about right. Thank you.
Yep.
Here, thanks, sir.
I think I have like 11, yeah, 11.
What did you guys do?
I have money. I have money too, man. Please.
Yes,
No, please.
Can
I just put like 10 bucks on it. I have 20 bucks. Please, please. Go on.
That's nice.
So pretty.
You have to have a card.
I have it.
It doesn't take much.
Oh, there's lady that takes cash. Like, yeah.
Alright, finally get a solo ride. I think it's pretty busy. Because the escalators are broken. Just get a quick cab view. These are nice elevators. Here too.
We're gonna have a lot of fun, okay? Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me.
I remember he likes stuff, so.
Good.
I'm
I think it's cool you took it. I did. I mean, I took like 16, but
Nice. Yep. Alright, here we go. Let's try this again. Phone. I'm just gonna end it on 2 because this thing is pretty busy. So I'm gonna cut the camera. So that'll be it.